My question is for Direct Talks and Jandana. It was already mentioned earlier that the material had already been adapted on stage 1993 and the big screen in 2015. And so now you have a different set of actors. So I was wondering, how did you draw out the performances that you needed from them without compromising what was already established in the previous adaptations?
Actually, kasi nga dahil malaki yung espasyo, so a lot of it has to be bigger. Kasi dun sa film, it's almost quiet. So, kasi nga may camera eh. So the challenge for the stage is that paano yun mamagnify na mas malaki na ganito karaming tao. Makikinig at saka makikita yung actions. So everything has to be heightened. And maganda dahil Ross and Elora are theater actors, so it's easier for them to really draw out the emotions. Martin, I was surprised because nag-audition siya for this role and nagandaan ako sa boses agad. So sabi ko, so parang kakayanin niya for the stage, no? Kasi nga brilliant ng boses. So it's a matter of just, fine-tuning it and talagang hanapin yung right way to say all the lines, the kilometric lines na hindi siya hahapuin, gano'n. So talagang, talagang reading talaga na kung paano siya sasabihin, the proper breathing. So may techniques, but at the same time, looking for the truth in their characters. So a lot of it was really hard work from them. And nakatulong din kasi na theater actors itong dalawa, so na-infect ng nung pagiging theater actors nila si Martin. So even sa disiplina, coming on time, na na siya, addict na siya. So I guess it won't be won't be the last time that we're going to see him on stage.
Yes.
For Direct June naman, Direct June, the film took a screen at last year's Enlightened Film Festival. At the time, was there already a plan to adapt the material for the stage, and what prompted you to push for this adaptation?
I think, that was part of the conversation. Parang this and some of the movies na nagawa namin would be interesting na makita sa stage. And especially dahil nga galing siya sa theater. Yun. Nag-usapan na.
And then it was already mentioned in the project, the material is still in production of Idea First Life. What can we expect naman for the rest of the 2025? May other material already in the lineup?
I-Die Beautiful the Musical.
Sorry, papasa ko pala dapat sa producer ng Idea First Life. Na-acknowledge ko, it's actually Elmer Gatchalian, who's wearing the producer hat this time. Yung original team ng Anino, actually, talagang took a step back. It's Elmer and Dax who drove this project. Direct Dax, I think may marag-react kasi hindi nila alam yung casting process. So maybe you can just explain the auditions and why you cast this.
We went through the usual auditions, no? So lahat ng ito, nag-audition lahat sila. And almost like ang dami, parang 100 plus. Kasi siya staggered yung rehearsal. So we invite people na we think has that mold. Tapos we invite them to come over for a reading. The usual. And then it was a grueling process kasi nga ako pa naman, maano ko sa looks. Kasi nga sabi ng mentor ko dati, pag perfect ang ang itsura, 50% of your work is done. So the other 50 is just drawing them to that character. So, yun. Tagal. Ang tagal ng auditions.
Yeah. It was a long process. Our next question is from JM. Bueno. Ayan, sorry. Layo ang tingin ko.
Hi. Well, first of all, congratulations on the piece. Really, really good. I'm a bit worried, if I may say, about the material because it's, of course, a drama. Several of the recent plays that have been seen either on Tata Theater or on other platforms have been very, obviously more of like a musical. How hard was it to like do a drama and the social political as one in this day?
Kasi ako, I rarely do musicals. I always do straight plays. So when this was offered to me, parang, ay, okay, good. Kasi, bakit naman hindi? At saka, marami na kasi akong mga nagawang, kasi advocate talaga ako ng original Filipino plays. So, at saka, especially straight plays na to talk about a certain period of our history, yun, and something that has power and depth and grit. So nung nabasa ko to, parang ay game. Yung concept na ako, pinasend ko kay Junior, eto yung concept ko, eto yung, ang bilis agad. So, buo na siya agad in my mind kasi it was so well written. Parang, ay, ano na siya. Tapos I can't wait to see the film agad. Kaya, I'm not that worried about it. Kasi, mas kailangan pa nga mapanood.
Alright, aside from that, how hard was it to execute? Of course, there are several scenes that is of the adult material, like taste. How hard was it to do that?
Ako, hindi hard. Kasi sila mismo nag-block sa sarili nila.
Maliit na ba?
Yeah. Iba pa rin talaga pag you're working with actors who are from the get-go kasi na kami, parang yun yung una naming pasok was to make ourselves comfortable and trust each other. Hindi kami natatakot magsalita about the material, about our insights about the play. Kaya yung the sex scenes, it's wala na siya kasi nga we're all focused to see kung ano yung sinasabi nito. So it's just side dish na lang siya.
And may I ask the actors who did it earlier, was that a challenge at all for you?
Personally, hindi siya challenge. Actually, mas challenging yung complexities ng character and yun nga, the depth of the yung complexities talaga ng character. Kasi dun sa intimate scenes, it's just choreography and understanding why we are doing that intimate scene. So, mas challenging pa rin talaga yung building the character for us. For me.
Oh.
Yung challenge din kasi, especially for Alora, because parang once lang siya lumabas, tapos sandali lang. So, the trajectory has to build alongside with the two of them. So, talagang pag-ganon ng pag-ganon. So, parang secondary na yung mga yung sex.
Doon sa rehearsal, hindi naman natin walang dikit, walang hawak. So, I guess yung nakita natin ngayon, parang second time pala natin dikit yung labi natin, yung maghawak-hawak kung saan-saan. So, mas ano kasi, mas parang natural yung mag-react ka lang dun sa ginagawa ng co-actor mo. So, hindi siya masyado, tama si, like Laura, ang naging challenging for me dito yung character ni Joel. Gandang-ganda ako sa character ni Joel, pero napaka-complex din niya. Diba, paano mo ma-deceive yung mga taong nanonood na may ganito pa ng kasamang tao, nakala mo lover boy nung second act. So, medyo complex siya. Ano yung mga intention niya, ba't yung ginawa yun? Ang daming ganun. So, yun actually, dito sa mga susunod rehearsals, may mga, I'm sure may mati-discover pa. Kasi bawat run namin, parang for some reason, iba-iba. Hindi wala akong nagagawa yatang parehas na parehas. Parang laging may ibang timpla. So, siguro by March, ibang-iba ulit ng version yung mabubuo.
Wala naman po akong yung gagawin ko lang siguro yung pagdating ko dito after yung buhatin yung bangkay, yung kailangan ko talagang kuparin lahat ng
Yeah.
ng saklot ko. Wala naman siya dito. So okay lang siya.
Sorry. And in person,
Excited akong gawin siya sa March 1. Then joke lang kapag kasi may context na ng why you're doing it, why you're stripping off your clothes, why you're doing this sex scene with this other character, natatanggal talaga yung malice. So in the case of Emma, she's doing it for it's a power play, 'di ba? I'm on top, ganyan. Tapos in the case of Joel naman, manipulation. Pareho naman silang manipulation pero pag nilagay mo yun, gaya na sabi ni Sir Tac, secondary na lang yung idea na sexy siya. Mas magiging I'm doing this because.
Okay. Last question sa kay Direct June. Direct, magiging parang June lang na multiverse ba to in the near future? Ganun po ba ang parang dream with regards to, of course, the first live?
Una-una yung diving gift ko hindi ko naman simulan. Si Roddy Vera yun. So, I think like, for the reason why we chose to begin our live production with Anino sa likod mo, ng buwan, is because we just want to be very clear about who we are and what we stand for as a company. Even if we're going into live productions, if we go into musical, the kind of materials that we'll do would be something like Dive Beautiful. I mean, that's who we are as a company and as an entertainer. But definitely, isa sa mga gusto namin gawin gaya na nabanggit kanina na Tax is gumawa pa ng mga original materials for the stage. Hindi lang yung dahil ginawa namin pelikula na naging successful, gagawa namin ng stage adaptation. Right now, may mga dinidevelop na kami ng original materials.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Arnel.